Namaste, everyone. We are to embark on a great celebration that will trigger a reinforcement of what our hierarchies has been dreaming of. New humanity. One cannot remain jailed in this human form, transcend, become humane. And then you already know the next step, which is their responsibility, is to become divine. Further, they promise that from divinity to absolute. This is the journey of Sahajmarg, our heartfulness way. Babuji says, in order to prepare ourselves for that, all the sincere seekers of divinity, those who are really keen on transforming themselves, become joyful, blissful carriers of spirituality, can participate more intensely. We begin with this, he says, insist with these abhyasis who are sincere and seeking to transform themselves as best as possible without exerting too much. Take few sittings before the Bandara, individual sittings, face to face with preceptors, starting today. One sitting this today, tomorrow 2 sittings, and it goes on. And even if you take during Bandaras, meditate, take more sittings, it's okay. But don't exert yourself to the point of exhaustion. 1 or 2 sittings a day is enough, half hour only. Before we do this exercise, try to study your inner spiritual state, your emotional state. Babuji also conveys that hang your miseries, your pain on his shoulder. He says, I am willing to take all your pains and miseries. Give it to me. Free yourself from all that. How will you do that though? Is it as easy as saying that Babuji have these problems of mind? Yes, it is. Try it and see what happens. And I'm mesmerized by this message. That is their generosity, and that is their promise also. Thank you.